Welcome to Ezisolution Systems. Ezi-solution.com is authorized representative of Ezisolution Systems. And these days, we have decided to be bringing to you more training on Retailman or any other packages that we may have, like Ezisolution Restaurant and the Ezisolution Invoicing and so on. So, but this very training is applicable to all of them. And what I want to show you today is how to zero stock. Let's say that you want to take your stock and you want to recount your stock, and you want to zero every quantity so that you can start again. But you don't want to zero the sales. You don't want to zero the purchases. It's just the quantity you want to make it zero. We are bringing this training to you, how you can do it. But remember, you must have the access to do this before you can be able to do it. So let's go through the training. Once again, this is a training I was doing to one particular company. And while I was doing that online, I decided to record it. So let's go through it now. Thank you. Before then, it is very, very important to remind you, don't forget, whenever you want to buy a license, try and buy your license from ezi-solution.com. And more so, it's good also that if you are a reseller, you are installer, contact us and we are going to discuss. Thank you. Today, I want to be able to show you how you can be able to clear data file. For some of you that want to take stock and you want to take your stock, and the stock you want to take, you want the sales history to remain. You want all the transaction to remain, but you want to zero every quantity that is in the database. But the purchases will remain, and the invoices, all the transactions will remain. But the only thing you want to clear off is to clear off everything that have to do with okay. So the easiest way to handle this, to clear every quantity, but all your transaction, the expenses you have posted will remain, all the cash transaction you have made will remain, all the sales you have made will remain, the suppliers, you have nothing to tamper the history of all the invoices, you have everything, and the purchases will remain. So to remove only the quantity, to enable you count a new stock and enter your stock, you go to stock. You go to stock quantity adjustment. But please note, if you are not given access to do this, you cannot be able to do that. You must first of all have access to be able to do this. That is the only way you can be able to do this. So remember, what I did is that I go to stock quantity adjustment. If the access is given to you, that is the only way you can do. You click enter. Now I am changing to yesterday date because I want everything to appear. I want everything to appear as of yesterday, meaning the whole thing will end yesterday. Then today, now they will now enter the new stock of today, so that I have a different day gap. Depending on the account you have created that you want to use to do the adjustment. But I am using 6010 as the owner shareholder equity. Then here, take note, we are going to put 0 here. Then you come down here, then you are going to put Z. What this means is that I am clearing entire database. But if I am not clearing the entire database, I could come here, choose the group. Now, if I click here, like I click enter, then it will pull out all the entire database. But if I decide I want to clear only particular group, that means what I am going to do is this. Enter 03 31, enter. Then stock adjustments, you can write it anything you want to write, the reason why you are doing the adjustments. Then if I want to deal with only one particular group is what I want to do, it means I will come here, select only that particular group, then I click enter. So I am dealing with this particular group alone. But because I did not want to deal with only one group, I want to deal with everything. I clear it off again. I start 03 31st. So I'm doing everything now. 0, then Z. Every enter, they need to pull out the whole database. Then I go to this counted. On this counted that is here, I will double click on it. Then it will pop up this message. This will zero your stock. Proceed. Yes. Now I have zero every stock that is in this place. Then I can now save. So everything from A to Z is now zeroed. Sorry, I'm not getting you. Yeah, what do you say?
I said does not include the quantity on hand, so I'm still saying minus 30 in all these
yeah, because we are using a multi-location system, so I'm going to check it. There is a multi-location license here, and that is the reason why. So I clear one location, I need to go and clear the second location.
Okay.
So that's what happened here now. So we have the two different locations here.